Sawadee ka! Here we are again for another Thailand experience. And this time, we are on to our fourth stop, Sri Racha Tiger Zoo. Sri Racha Tiger Zoo is a zoo in Sri Racha, a city on the outskirts of Patay, a seaside city in Chonburi Province, Thailand. It boasts to contain the largest number of Bengal tigers, bred successfully by the farm itself. Aside from the tigers, the zoo has several other animals and funny attractions which I will show you later. They have four main shows which I personally experience. These are the Tiger Show, Elephant Show, Crocodile Show, and my most favorite, the Pig Racing Show. Each has its own show timing, so plan your schedule wisely when you go here. The zoo opens daily at 8 o'clock in the morning to 6 o'clock in the evening, and admission for adults is only 450 baht, while child tickets is at 250 baht. Children less than 100 centimeters are free. You may visit their website at www.tigerzoo.com for early bookings. So hop on and let's explore this amazing Sri Racha Tiger Zoo. Let's go! Hi guys, okay, so welcome to Sri Racha Tiger Zoo at my back. Let's go and check this zoo and let's see what's in store for us. Let's go. Oh yeah, I got this 364. Let's go. Really? Let's go, Lanzigo. Hello. Oh, Yameng.
Hello.
Aloha.
Yeah.
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 Yeah. Elephant Show, Crocodile Show, Tiger Show, and Scorpion Queen. Who's that? So we're walking towards the show. I'm so excited for this zoo because this is, I think I've watched some of the shows in YouTube because before I go here I checked and see for myself what should I be looking forward to. Oh, English. Sige na. Okay, so this is Samay, a tiger living with a pig. That's crazy. One more. Okay, so this one, it's a sow feeding tiger cubs. This one, we have an experiment of letting the sow feeds and looks after tiger cubs. As a result, the tiger cubs grow faster, able to get along very well with the pigs, and became more tame and less fierce. Wow, so cute. With the pig. Very nice. He is with a tiger. I can't do that. I wish I could. Oh, this is the baby cubs. Oh, I like it. Let's see. Let's try this. Okay, so you will pay 200 baht for feeding the cubs and taking a photo. So next is we go to some crocodiles. This is one of the animals I'm really afraid of.
So medyo mapanghi pala yung ano, yung mga alligator, yung mga
Oo,
crocodile.
siyempre.
Tapos sumugod, no?
Eh guys, grabe
So,
nakakatakot pa
me
rin
and
yung
Lancy
mga-
is checking this.
Ano nila yung nililinis, no? Grabe.
Saka paano mo sila papakainin? Sobrang panghi po. This is the cage I won't go in.
Sobrang baho.
Kahit anong i-offer sa akin, hindi ako papasok dyan because it's really takot ako sa crocs. Sa crocs. Mamaya manonood kami ng crocodile show. So we're gonna look into it and check out the crocodile show. As of the moment, dito kami sa alligator, sa croc.
Biggest crocodile farm because they have more
Oh my
than
goodness.
60,000 crocodile in this farm.
Hi! Look at that! Look at that! He's saying hi. Look at those eyes. You're crazy, man. That's crazy. No, 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 no.
没有，这在外面。
Okay, so we go next to Tiger Show. Very nice, right? Alright, so I got my photo for the tiger feeding cub. So it's so nice, right? This is photo. Medyo gwaping ako dito. Gwaping! Alright, we're now going to the tiger show. So, this is one of the main events here. I'm sweating. I'm sweating like hell. So we're going to watch the tiger show in a while. So, may mga time kasi. You have to check the show. So let's go! Hi guys! Kaeng! Pogi ko naman dito. Pogi ko naman dito. Pogi ko naman dito. Sa ilaw. Oh my God.
Grabe, lalaki.
Oh my God.
Grabe, alam nila yung pwesto nila. They know their place.
Nice.
Grabe, talino. Oh, nice.
Pangalay. Reaction. Look at them. Mukha na silang pamilya. Yeah. I cannot laugh, I'm sorry. Oh, so cute. Cute. Nakatayo sila lahat. Yung siya nagagalit.
So nice.
They're so smart. I wonder what kind of training did this tigers undergone to. Pero sabi nila medyo hindi daw maganda yung training sa kanila kasi simula maliit, deprived na sila. Deprived sila ng freedom, ng buhay as a tiger. Yung hakbang nila sa front legs nila, doon din sila hahakbang sa hind legs nila. Galing. So ngayon yung tiger, tumatawid siya doon sa yun. Galing. Meron silang treat. After nila magawa yung activity, meron silang treats. Tatalon, tatalon. Jump, jump. Tatalon sa bilog. Very nice. Kala ko sasakmalin niya yung lalaki. Yeah, big treats. Big treats. For a cool kid. Nakakatawa. Yung pa yung tiger. Very nice. Okay, very nice.
Alam dilig ko.
I think this is the finale. Yay. Very good. Very nice. Very nice show. Like it. It's over, guys. So I like it. All in all, it's a good treat for the eyes. It's a treat for the eyes. And nakakatawa kasi meron pa akong review video. Kasi gusto ko makita reaction ko eh. And now we're going to where? We're going to the next show. Okay, so right now we're going to watch a pig racing. So, labanan ng mga baboy.
Kasali ako.
Kasali si Lance. Jem, ikaw ang pambato ko. I miss you, Jem. Andito ka eh, nagpaparamdam ka eh. So, ikaw ang bet ko dito. Ito na, magsisimula na.
阿廖先生赶快，就他的名字
So big.
阿廖，6岁的人，6减4等于7，等于2，对你掌声，鼓励掌声。
Ito nakakatawa kasi yung pig, nagka-calculate siya. Ayan, 6 divided by 3. 6 divided by 3. So, sisipahin niya kung ano yung sagot. Tama mo ha?
6 divided 3，我是笨猪。
Yes!
首先把本来阿廖要过，一个就是故事。
Very good eh. Ayan, so there you go! Start! Start! Panic. Pwede ka magpustahan. Babalik.
经过长风子台，准备了好了，1、2、3，好，来，4号第零，4号第零，手滚烫手滚。 表演倒数结束了，
That's it.
谢谢大家的观看，谢谢。
Let's go. Okay, so we're going to the next stop. Pwede kang tumaya kasi yung mga pigs tumatakbo, yung mga maliliit na pigs, meron silang mga corresponding numbers. So pwede kang tumaya. Gusto to ng mga gusto to ng mga gambler. So we'll go to the next stop I think it's the elephant show or the crocodile show. Whatever it is, let's go. Jem, ano nangyari sa'yo, Jem? Jem! Jem, huwag ka umiyak, Jem! 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 Crocodile show.
Afternoon. Sure. Time. Trên xe vô sẵn trên chân ta các bạn cứ ở trên đường kia xa nè các cổ cổ lấy cao ở đâu không phải đi sổ xa còn đi chia này xa không có này này gió đi
Alright, so this is the famous crocodile show.
đồ này là nó cùng với bài đây thì các bạn nghe
So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 crocodiles na nasa stage. Pero merong isa na nandun sa may dulo. Nakatugtog lang siya. Ay, hinihila niya.
เอาไปที่ปิดหน้าของจระเข้กันแล้วจากไปสีโอเคนะมิสเตอร์วันแสงสไลด์เขียนเกี่ยวเพื่อนถูกเป้งพายมาแล้วของเราไปชี้มือสักก่อนขวาซ้ายลุกขึ้นไปก็ได้กันเลย Ôi, sao nó có nhiều đó.
Sayang, hindi ko nakuha na yung sarili ko. Nung tumatakbo siya, papunta dun sa crocodile. Oh my goodness. Oh no! Grabe. Okay, so feeling ko ulitin niya. Ulitin niya yung tatakbo siya. Oh my goodness.
Say now.
Yung kasama ko sa likod, ayun na si Kaheng. He's not liking it kasi feeling niya there's so much animal cruelty into it. Which is, tinanong ko siya bakit. Sabi niya, and people are liking it, so nag-guilty naman ako. Actually, meron naman talagang involved dyan na cruelty. May deprivation sa kanila ng freedom nila to live and exist naturally. Okay, anyway, this is the end of the crocodile show. I'm looking forward for the elephant. Yung elephant talaga yung gusto ko. Ayun. This is the crocodile show. Okay, so next stop is elephant show. Where is it? Here? Okay, it's here. Here we go. We're the first people to go here. First, we're gonna select our own good seat. There you go. Alam mo ba yung ano? Yay! Haha. Last one. I also wonder how much training these elephants undergone for this kind of show and what kind of cruelty. Pero sana naman they handle it well, with care. A proper clearance din.
Punahan sila ang palobo.
That's so funny. Oh no, this is scary. May photo bomber sa gilid. Ayun o.
Nanonood na yun, pinapanood yung asawa.
ขออุปกรณ์เซฟตี้มาเลยทีมงานมีไหมเลยได้อะไรมาคะเพื่อนจับไม่จับตาอันนี้ป้องกันอะไรกันอีกป้องกันปวดค่ะโอเคค่ะยินดีต้อนรับน้องน้องแต่งตัวผม
Okay.
Number 1 1, 2, 3, go เอาเลยนะสบายสบายเลยนะ Number 2 1, 2, 3
Well, the show is entertaining and it's really cool for kids. Kids will gonna like it. It's just that I don't think it will be. I don't think the animal advocates or the vegans will be happy about this. Na-notice lang namin na yung stick nila merong hook sa dulo. Probably it's a triggering cue for the elephants. So yun lang. And it's raining, so we need to hurry. So I think this is the last show. And I hope tapos na kasi I'm dead tired. So uwi na tayo. That's it, Pansit. We're done with Sriracha Tiger Zoo, and I think it's a must place to go if you're here in Thailand. If you're with your kids will gonna love it. And then we're off to our hotel. I'm so tired, I wanna go home. Okay, so kamusta naman, Mr. Lance Igo? Haggard na tayo for the whole day.
Tapos medyo nakakainis yung tour guide kasi puro ako tinatawa.
Kasi type siya ng tour guide. Magagawa natin.
Sabi niya sa akin kanina, ano daw, tatagalogin ko na lang. Sabi niya, gustong-gusto daw yung tinitignan yung smiling face ko. Hindi ko lang siya pinansin. Pero siyempre, hindi ko naman ina-assume na may gusto ko.
Namolest siya na kami kagabi. Meron parang pato.
Hindi. Siguro mabait lang siya talaga. Gusto nilang mag-good vibes ang araw ko.
Si Mr. Tom.
Tapos kinukuha niya yung picture. Yung picture ko yung sa zoo.
Ay, yung sa tiger.
Oo.
Ayan. So, finally. How much is this? How much?
一个150泰铢。
Okay guys, we've come to the end of this Sriracha Zoo trip and I enjoyed it. I love seeing animals, especially the elephants. Yun nga lang, there's part of me says that I'm not liking it because yeah, the animal cruelty is in it. But then again, it's all about entertainment. That's what they say. And yeah, that's it. This is a must place to go if you're going to have a trip here in Thailand. And I'm pretty sure you're gonna like it, just like me. So there you go guys. I hope you enjoyed my trip. So I'll end this video here. Thank you so much for joining. Please don't forget to subscribe and bye-bye. I love you all. See ya. Ciao. Hi guys, so we're going to eat our dinner here. See this? Harbor. So let's go inside. Check this out. Hi. Let them eat first. How do you look like? What? We're all so tired. Alright, so I'm done. I'm gonna take my food now. Okay, so first batch. Lance, take over. Where are we?
My Beach Resort.
Yes.
So we are here Here in Pattaya,
Okay.
to experience the Pattaya life.
Okay.
There are a lot of night life there, so we gotta experience it later.
You looking for lady boy? This one has a lady boy. No. Sorry, I don't understand a thing. What did he say?
No, he said that there's no safety box in the hotel, in the room. So if you need to keep any valuable things, it's at the counter receptionist.
So they want to collect our valuable items.
No, if you want.
Oh, if one. Can ah. Briefing everywhere. Briefing everywhere. Pakialamero talaga to. Pakialamero. Commentator. Open it. Wow.
Oh, nice. This one is nice. I like it. It's very simple.
Oh, kaeng.
Very nice.
Okay, let's see outside.
You can go to the veranda.
Okay. Can't see. It's too dark. Let's go back. Oh, it's you. Okay, so we're now here inside our room. Left. Kai, are you getting tired of us? Are you getting tired of us, both of us?
I think I've been tired since the first time I saw
So yun, so we're here, we're settling down, and it's a nice typical room. Can I stay? And now, but the difference is the bed is so soft. So soft. Ang dami.
So soft.
So soft. Pero malambot nga. See this?
Hindi
Hindi ko magawa sa gimbal. Whoa. Okay guys, so this is Pattaya.